Welcome back to Create Progress, guys. What's happening? Jeremy here.
Rob. That's my name.
Rob is his name. So we got something cool planned. You probably already seen the thumbnail, so I guess you know what's happening, but I'm really excited and really terrified.
Can you get some grub?
You need some food?
Yeah.
Food first.
Oh my god, you're gonna make me do this. Can I get 2 Chipotle? Oh my god, you gotta do it.
Can you get 2 Chipotle chicken loaded grillers? Okay, so as you guys seen the title, like I said before, I got some 3D printed longboard wheels. I was editing the video here and I noticed I didn't even talk about something. I had to stop the video midway just to tell you for the nerdy details, just to let you guys know what these wheels are made of. Okay, so these are made of PLA. It is a 3D printable material, kind of rigid, I guess, plasticky, super plasticky, but that's what I made it out of. PLA with 0.2 millimeter layer height and 25% infill. Back to the regularly scheduled program. Now this is a new one, and unfortunately for you guys, this isn't the first time that I've tried these wheels out, but it is the first time with complete perfect wheels. See this one here? This one? It's a little messed up on the inside. No inside to it. That one's screwed up on the print, so this one is the replacement for that. And you can see how dirty they get because they're really slippery and they tend to slide. So I'm gonna put this on real quick and then we're gonna hit it. Nope. Good for it. Good for it. It's supposed to be that way. Come on. Get in there. Come on. Nicely. A little tight. That'll do. Always remember, wear safety equipment. I got gloves because I'm scared out of my wits. This is not going to be safe. Just for a frame of reference on how slippery this is, check this out. I can slide it sideways.
Dangerous.
Alright. I'm shaking a little bit.
I would be too.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. It melted it. Yo, it melted the wheel.
Let me see.
It got so hot it melted. Oh shit. It melted the wheel.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, it's squishy. Like, feel it. It's squishy.
Oh my. That's crazy.
Yo.
It's like unfolding. You can see the layers.
Look at it. You can squeeze it and move it and squish it. Oh man, I was wondering why I was going so slow. I was like, what the heck happened? Alright, I gotta try one more thing. I want to try sliding on this once with the gloves just to see if I can do it. It's so slow! Now they're all sticky. They're super sticky now that they're hot. Alright guys, I don't know what else to say. That was pretty much it. I know that wasn't as exciting as I thought it was going to be. I hoped I was going to fall.
The wheel melted.
If you enjoyed that video, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. There's going to be more of this kind of stuff happening. Remember, create, progress, create some crazy stuff. Get a 3D printer, start printing some cool stuff for yourself. Other than that, I need to calm down. My heart's racing. That was crazy. It wasn't that fast, but dang! My butthole puckered up. So I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all. See you later. I almost forgot my phone. I almost drove away without my phone.